I just noticed that I got to 500 followers, so I wanted to make a quick video about it. Thank you so much. Ever since I joined TikTok, which was pretty recently, like, it's such an encouraging place. There's so many creative people. It's different from other social media. I don't know what it is exactly. It has a different vibe, and I really like it. Maybe it has to do with how well the algorithm is tuned, but I feel like everything that I come across is just like really encouraging people, really positive, really like pro LGBTQ, anti-racism, body positive, funny, creative, amazing people.